Hi, good morning. I just found one paper of JEST Joint Entrance Screening Test. This test is conducted for the admission in MSc and PhDs. This is a beautiful paper in the PDF format. Now I want to create a mock test out of it so that I can send it to my students who can prepare by taking the test. So the best option is I go here, pdfmock.com, which converts MCQ PDF question paper into online quizzes within minutes. So you don't have to do any cut paste or typing of content, no more application, back and front end, etc. It's really easy and helps a lot. If you're the first time user, you can register yourself as a teacher here by writing your organization name and address, and you can type your name as teacher and your email id, and then click on the plus icon here. You can add multiple teachers under the same organization, and once you are done, you click on the save button so that all the teachers or the users associated with this organization will have an access, instant access. So no more waiting and no more approvals, the access is instant. Since I already have an access, so I'm going to log in through this by using my email id and the otp, and I will land here on the dashboard. Here on dashboard, two sections are there: my test and my batch. You can see all the tests which I have created earlier. Now I'm going to create a test of the PDF which I found on the internet. So I upload the PDF, and now you can see the PDF. This is the PDF we were talking about earlier, and this is a typical PDF, very uninteractive. Um, so this is the first question. It has four options, and it's a single correct type of question. You can also have multiple correct and fill in the blanks, and these three will comprise and help you forming any type of question, whether it's assertion reasoning, whether it is true or false, or anything else. And then in the marking scheme, you do correct for 2 marks for correct, -1 for incorrect. You can have decimal values also, and you can click on add. Once you click on add, you have a crosshair here. Take take the crosshair and corresponding to each of the options, four choices of question number one here, and click on them, and thus forming interactivity in front of each of these choices. And suppose I don't know the real answer, suppose third option is correct, you go ahead and double click the third, make it blue, and save it. So first question is done. You can see it here. It's very easy. I don't have to do any cut paste. Just remember one thing: when you are creating a test, use your laptop or desktop, because generally these papers are PDFs are take a whole screen, so it's a bit difficult to operate on mobile. But after once you create the question paper, after that it's very easy to manage everything, the students and the test and the analytics through your mobile. Similarly, you go ahead and for the second question, single correct and same marking scheme will stay, and you click on the add button, and you go ahead and click corresponding to each of these choices. And I don't know the real answer. For example, first option is correct, you double click it, make it blue, and click on the save button. So second question is done. So as simple as this. So, and once you are done with the mapping all the questions, it will hardly take 25 to 35 minutes to map these questions. And you click on the save test, you go ahead and the timings, etc. Suppose this is a 60-minute test, and you can write description also if you have a longer string to write something else. So right now it's showing two questions of 4 marks because we have done two questions only, but you can go ahead and map all the question. And the cool thing about it is a solution file. You can add a solution file to this, so that when a student has taken a test, completed the test, they will get a solution file to see why the answers are correct and what is the explanation. So you don't have to manually do anything, and you save it. As soon as you hit save button, your test is getting formed. You are back on the dashboard here, and you can see the test is two question, 4 marks. But you can go ahead and edit this again by clicking on the edit button. You can delete it. You can also share or send this test to any other of your colleague who is present in pdfmock.com. This particularly is very helpful when you have a junior staff or a data entry operator who can create these tests for you. And they can type their email and look for your profile by this clicking on this icon, and then sharing it to anybody they want. And now I'm going to schedule this test. Scheduling is very easy. It has two modes. One is close ended, and the other one is open ended. Close ended means you have a particular date and time when you want to conduct the examination, and you have flexibility to publish the result at your own desire here by clicking this. And these are the student batches. Suppose these are sample batches which I have created. Two batches you have created from in my batch section. And you can also allow external student if you want to um, allow the students, any student who are not there in your database to take the test. You can click here, and then you can schedule it. So as soon as you schedule it, your test is done. And once scheduled, you can go back and share this, copy the test url or from here, and you can share it to your students. They can take the test on mobile or laptop. It's very easy. You can pause the schedule which you are doing here, and you can edit the schedule also. So this is as simple as it gets. You don't have to do any cut, paste, or anything. All you need is a PDF question paper, which are abundant. And as if you are in an institute, you have plenty of the PDF paper that you can create also. And it's very useful. I've been using this for quite some time, and I hope it's useful for you also. Thank you.